Hi, Hampshire Chemistry. Uh, this is our first week of quarantine e-learning lessons. And so I just wanted to give you guys a little overview of what I would like us to accomplish this week. Every week, I'm going to start off with a video like this. We'll see. It might mutate, it might change into a Zoom platform or something like that. But for right now, uh, I have found that my internet connection here in Hampshire is pretty weak and spotty at times. So, I want everyone to be able to have access to this. You guys are familiar with this platform. And so, how it's going to look for us uh, is I just want to keep you guys science literate as we are learning. Understanding science is a very important thing. Look around you. Look at what we're doing right now. Why are we doing what we're doing? Uh, I Can you read the articles and can you look at pertinent information versus garbage information? So we're going to continue learning chemistry, learning science, keeping us science literate. And so, what I envision is that each week I'm going to put together a haiku page for you. So, this week is going to be called Quarantine Week 1. Next week will be Quarantine Week 2. And everything you guys need will be right there for you. I'm not going to tell you that, hey, I'm only available from this time to this time. Feel free to email me at any time. As you know and have probably seen through Mr. Hyde's emails and maybe Dr. Bending's emails, we are on an ABC block. So what that means for you guys is on Friday, you should be devoting about 90 minutes of your time to chemistry. What that looks like for us this week is we're going to focus on stoichiometry. So, that's the stuff we were doing before break. Working on 1-step, 2-step problems, but our focus is on 3-step problems. That's what we ended with a few Fridays ago, right? So before all this stuff kind of happened. So again, always look at the big picture of things. The reason we are doing what we are doing is to continue to be science literate, continue to work and achieve towards understanding kind of how the world works, which again, as you can see, more important than ever, how does science relate to you? So that's kind of my intro video for this. Keep up on the haiku calendar. That's where I'm going to post kind of our daily agendas, just like always. Next week, we'll be working on acids and bases. Hopefully, I can intertwine some, basic experiments for that. Maybe I'll have some special guests. Like my kids, but we're going to try and keep things light and as user friendly as we can. As in terms of turning in work to me and getting access to work, the links are all going to be posted right over here. They'll say, link to the 3-step problems or whatever. You guys should be very familiar with that, how that looks. But you can just rewrite the problems on a piece of paper. You can print it out, solve the problems. You can fill them out as a Google Doc and share them to me however you want. You can take a picture of your, work. You can scan it into a document, and we'll work through all that stuff, as time progresses. And, just feel free to email me with any questions you have. All right, so we'll get through this together. Hopefully we learn some things. And hopefully I see you guys soon.